Okay, we're here at 67th place on the peninsula. We're checking out the sewer through this combi. This is a voiceover. I forgot to turn my mic on. So we're hitting a bunch of junk right away. Here in a little bit, you're going to see it hit a bunch of sludge. Toilet paper, etc., everything that goes down a sewer. And that's why the snake was going through it. Just a soft blockage, tons of junk. So, going to pull the camera back out, going to jet it so we can try to get a better feel for what's going on. Okay, we just jetted and cleared it. So now we're going to go in and see what's going on. We got the water running in the small unit. Let's turn the hose on, please.
This one.
I got it.
Okay, thank you.
You got the water in the shower going in there, right?
Yes. Oh! Oh.
That doesn't look like a professional install, does it? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Looks like they just tapped and broke and cracked into it. Want to see where the water runs? Yeah, that's gonna want to promote. That's wrong. See how the water is running into, like, go turn that shower off, please. We're going to wait for a second for everything to die down. Start over.
Think this is separate?
Okay, we're going to see where the toilet is. No, but I bet you it's probably after. Okay, flush the toilet. Ooh, too much water.
It's the same.
Oh, okay, it's the same one. Okay, they got drama from there. And now, this is like, this is all wrong. That's where you got to dig up. That is all wrong. Look at the, it's not round.
Yeah, it's oval.
So we're going to locate that, and you got to dig that spot up, sorry to tell you. And it looks cracked over here right above the 47, about an inch above the screen. That looks weird. You can see through the water, and it looks like somebody did this on the weekend when nobody was looking. All right. I'm gonna go locate that. Okay, we marked that out in the alley on the other side of the small guest house, about 3.5 feet deep. Okay, and it makes an immediate turn. Looks broken to the right. You see right above 47 feet again. That's weird. That looks broken. It just looks half-assed is what it does. I'm going to see if I can fly it by for fun. I'll try jetting it again with a different head. See if I can open that up. Okay, that connection. Okay, I located it right here. So if you come back, you just come back, 18 inches. Come back 18 inches from where I located it is that tie-in right there. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get around that bend, get a better look. Okay, excuse me, here's another voiceover. The mic was not pushed, sorry. We jetted it again, and we're going down, and it wasn't much. I could not get through. We strung out the jetter hose and the camera hose, and they both got stuck in the same spot. Check for to be sure, but you're not going to see anything different. So I'm going to fast forward it to the end and show you what we're looking at. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I tried to jet it again. You're getting flow because it's going over the top through the cracks. That's why the back house was working and the front wasn't, because all the backup had accumulated and dried up and affected the back house, even though the problem is past the little house. So you're not going to see anything different from here on out. So I'm just going to shut it down. Thank you. Good luck.